Welcome to our guide on using Ticket ID to bet on Sportybet. Whether you're a newcomer or a seasoned bettor, understanding Ticket IDs can enhance your betting experience. Ticket IDs are unique identifiers for your bets. They help you track your betting history and verify your transactions with ease. Let's dive into how to obtain your Ticket ID. Simply place a bet, and your Ticket ID will be generated instantly. Next, let's navigate the Sportybet platform. It's user-friendly and designed for a smooth betting experience. Look for the sports you want to bet on. Once you're ready to place a bet, enter your Ticket ID in the designated field. This ensures your bet is recorded correctly. After inputting your Ticket ID, verify your bet. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your bet has been placed successfully. Sometimes, you might encounter issues with your Ticket ID. Common problems include incorrect input or expired IDs. If faced with these, double-check your entry or contact support. Here are some tips for using Ticket IDs effectively. Always save your Ticket ID for future reference, and keep track of your betting history for more accurate forecasting. To recap, obtaining and using a Ticket ID is a straightforward process that includes placing a bet, entering the ID, and verifying it efficiently. Remember to bet responsibly. Use your Ticket IDs wisely and enjoy the excitement of betting in a smart and secure way.